This will be a quick overview of how to use the Best Markets house truck liftgate. On the right side of the truck, there's a panel with a button that controls up and down directions. Up, down. Over here is a lock for the liftgate. And this position is locked and the liftgate will not go down. In this position, it's open and will go down. You'll come to the control panel and you'll push the down button after making sure there's nothing under the truck that you can crush. You have to hold the button down as it goes down. It's not automatic. When it reaches this point, it will stop going down. You will have to unfold the liftgate. So you have to pull. Don't let it drop. You want to, carry it down. And then you're going to have to put your hand here and unfold it, which is hard to film. But basically, I had to get in here. So you basically are just separating this and unfolding it. And then you can make it flush with the ground because it's going to be a little bit high. And now that it's folded out, going up, we'll raise the liftgate. The liftgate's now up. You can take the pallet off the truck onto the liftgate, and while remaining on the truck, you push the button down, and the pallet that you've taken off the truck or have put on, your process is done. Now to fold it back up, you're just going to have to grab it. It'd be best to raise it a little bit so you get a good grip on it. Pull this. Raise it up a little bit more. Grab this because you're going to fold it back in. Raise it up. And lock the liftgate, which you may have to go up or down a little bit for the lock to engage. And that is basically it for use of the tailgate.